and foremost, I just want to take a quick second to welcome everybody to the third annual Stock Navigators Conference. We're going to have a lot of fun the next 2 days.
Thank you to everyone for coming. This is the first time we've sold out the conference, and we honestly, genuinely appreciate every single one of you here for coming and being such a key part of our community, because at the end of the day, you can have a program, you can have a course, but it's very tough to be able to build a community that cares, that respects each other, that wants everyone to win.
I've never heard of another trading system that has a community like this.
I have made friends in the community. Even though we're so far away, we're still so close together.
Passion, the passion that those people, that you people have, I think it's very, very, very valuable. And I'm saying that from a perspective of someone who was a teacher himself.
The community is just nonstop support.
It's constant support, and I couldn't ask for much more, and because of that, I couldn't feel much more at home.
For Tom, he is a master in trading, there's no doubt about it, and I love his passion about trading and about giving his knowledge to our students.
Cleve, I saw him as a student because he was a student before he became an instructor, so that shows growth, promise. He put in a lot of hard work. I can't thank him enough for the work he's put in.
On behalf of all the staff of Stock Navigator, as well as our members in the community, thank you very much for your hard work, your dedication, and your contribution to successful Stock Navigator. So today, you officially become a master. Let's do that. Thank you. You see, so now you officially become another master, another guru from Stock Navigator. Congratulations.
I shared a lot of my journey with a lot of you. Just like everybody else, it's not just a skyrocket to the moon. Getting started hiking is the first step. As you continue to climb up the mountain, it's not easy. You're going to have challenges along the way, but once you do get there, the view is absolutely beautiful and absolutely worth it. No, I'm not going to slow down. This is just the beginning.
Get off the fence, jump in.
Bite the bullet and do it.
Don't hesitate to sign up.
If you decide to join and you put your time, put your effort, and you participate in the community, I find it very difficult for you not to find success.
You have changed each and every one of our lives more than you can imagine. And when it gets hard, just think about each and every one of our faces, because you will never know how this community has given us a way to be more independent and to be not so dependent on others, but ourselves. When it gets hard, don't give up on us. Thank you guys so much.